Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Latifah Rasidina Saswianto. So in this video, I will explain question number 2 of economic math and midterm test. Okay, so in number 2, we already know what is the fixed cost is $75, and then the variable cost is $3, and then the demand is 3Q equal to 75 minus P, and then we can switch the position, and then it's gonna be P equal to minus 3Q plus 75. I'm gonna write it. Okay, so is 75. Oke, sir, maaf sir, aku kayak bahasa Indonesia. Di depan aku ini ada laptop yang isinya soal, jadi bukan contekan. Cuman mau ngejelasin aja. So, from the demand is 3Q equal to 75 minus P, we can switch it. To jadi pindah ruas jadi seperti ini. P equal to 75 minus 3Q. So di soal kita juga sudah tahu fixed cost. The FC is $75. I'm sorry. And then the VC is variable cost is $3. So the question is, help Kevin determine first is the total cost function, the total revenue function, the profit function, and profit curve, and then the last one is maximum profit. So the first one, we're gonna find the total cost. Okay, so the formula of total cost is TC equal to FC dalam kurung VC times Q. Okay, so TC equal to FC is fixed cost plus dalam kurung VC times Q. Q is a quantity. So we're gonna isi FC we already know is 75, and then plus VC is 3, and then times Q. Okay, so we are gonna hitung 3Q. Okay, so we already know in bahasa is fungsi dari Q. 75 plus 3Q. Okay, so the second one is we're gonna find the total revenue function. Total revenue function. Alma. So we are gonna lanjut. I'm sorry, sir. My mom called me. Times P. The P is we already know, and the question is 75 minus 3Q. So okay, we are gonna mengkali. This is okay. I'm gonna explain it later. Q minus 3Q square. Okay, so plus 75Q. We already know the TR, so the next step is we are gonna search the profit function. Okay. The profit function. So it's P equal to TR minus TC. What is TR? What is TC? TR is the total revenue minus TC is total cost. So we are gonna minus 3q square plus 75q minus TC. The TC is the total cost, 75 plus 3q. Okay, so the profit function like this, we are gonna multiply one by one. Okay, so yeah, is minus 3q square plus 75q. Okay, minus, okay, so this is minus, right? We are gonna dikali seperti ini. 75 minus multiply by plus is minus 3q. So we're gonna find the function is minus 3q square plus 72q minus 75. Why is 72q? Because 75 minus 3q. Okay, so the answer is 72. So we already got the profit function. The next step, we are gonna find the profit curve. It's a little bit the formula is a little bit different, so I'm gonna switch the camera first. So we are gonna find the profit curve. Okay, so the formula is the first one, we are gonna write down the function because it's important, because we are gonna find the ABC is from this function. Minus 3q square plus 72q minus 75. So this is the A, this is the B, this is the C. So okay, the formula is Q equal to minus B plus minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Okay, like that. Okay, from that formula, we are gonna find the profit function. Like the profit curve. I'm sorry. So we are gonna minus B is minus 72 plus minus square root of 72 square minus 4. The A is minus 3, and then times C is minus 75. Okay, don't forget to divide it by 2A. The A is minus 3. Okay, we already know the formula. Okay, so we are gonna calculate. Okay, so the answer is Q minus 72 plus minus 72 square is 5,184. 5,184 plus 12 times 2 minus 75. Okay, I'm sorry, it's not focusing. Okay, so divided by 2 times A. The A is minus 3, so 2 minus 3 is 6. Okay, so we are gonna calculate that. Okay, 72 plus minus square root of 5,184 minus 900 divided by minus 6. Okay. So from this we are gonna in bahasa is dipisah antara plus sama minusnya. So the first one is minus 72 plus square root of 5184 minus 900 minus 6. Okay, so we are gonna find the square root of this. We are gonna 5184 minus 900 is 4284. Okay. Shift equal to 65.45. Okay, so plus 65. Okay, so we are gonna calculate the rest of them. Okay, minus 72 plus plus 65.45 is minus 6.55, and then we're gonna divide it into minus 6. Okay, shift. We got 1.09. 1.09 is equal to 1.1. So we got the first one. The second one, we're gonna find the quantity minus version. So minus 72 minus square root of 5184 minus 900 divided by minus 6. It's actually the same but a little bit different in the tanda. Yang tadi minus, sekarang plus. So we are gonna calculate them. Minus 72, okay, is 22.9. So we got the second one. So the next step, we're gonna draw the curve. Okay, so no need ruler. This is so after we got the curve, we don't know the maximum profit, maximum in this curve. So we're gonna find that, and the formula of maximum profit is the peak point quantity equal to minus b divided by 2 times a. Okay, so we are gonna get the 12, and then we are gonna count the vertex. It's actually that. Okay, the q is 12, so we are gonna put that into the q, and then we got the 354, and then yeah, so this is the maximum point. So yeah, it's 12 354. I mean, like, it's 354, it's not 357. Okay, I'm sorry. It's 357. I'm sorry. 357. My bad. It's actually 12. 357. Okay. Thank you, sir.